Hello, I'm Mike Robichaud, Superintendent of Construction for Franklin Properties. These are the grill stations that were newly put in by Building 1 and 2, similar to the ones going in by Building 4, 5, and 6. To light the grills, you're going to go into the access panel here where you're going to see two timers. There's a timer for the grill on the right and a timer for the grill on the left. Simply rotate the timer and that'll allow gas to flow to the grill. Open the lid and turn the burner on. You'll see her click, that ignition, that means the gas has been lit. You'll hear it, hear the flame, feel for the heat, and you have ignition on your grill. Weight as many burners as you need. Now your grill is fired up and ready to go. There's also buttons on the front for lights if you're grilling at night. There's an LED light inside the grill, and then there's lights for the handles. If to turn the gas off, the timer will time out and automatically shut off the gas. In the event that you're grilling for longer than an hour, simply go in, turn the timer back on, and relight the grill. Thank you.